everyone, welcome to Mike's Paint Studio YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted a much longer video, at least longer than the 1-minute shorts that YouTube now has. I posted some of those, but I'm gonna try to not do that. I'm standing here in the middle of my new workshop, shed, studio, whatever you want to call it. This is why I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. I have still been making cribbage boards and doing other woodworking stuff like that, but this is what was kind of taking up most of the time. I didn't build it, I did design it. Took a while to get things going on it. Something that we were gonna do in May, and then June, July, August, September, October, November happened, and you know, life plus lumber costs, and I think waiting and deciding if I really wanted to pull the trigger on this thing helped, because it brought some of the costs down. The company I bought it from was having like off-season sales, and there was just a lot of upgrades I got a good deal on. But it's a 10 by 12 shed, technically. It's made by a company called Tough Shed here in Minnesota. They're not sponsoring this, they're not paying me to say this, but man, they did a really good job. It went up in a day, and just a little over a day, so about 11 hours in total of work time. They had a 3-man crew come out. The design process was really easy. You design it online, and then one of their guys calls you and makes sure that you don't want to change anything, everything's cool, and then they come out and build it in a day. Should have been a day, but the crew I got was really detail oriented, and which I didn't mind at all. So they did a good job, and let me give you a little tour. Okay, by little tour, I do mean little tour because it's only a 10 by 12. I put in this dust collector. It's a PowerTech. I bought it on Amazon. Not too expensive. It's 7 amp and 1 phase. It works pretty good. I've already used it a couple of times, and it's awesome. Collects in this bag. The bag on the bottom has a zipper on it, so you can get rid of the whole bag if you want and buy an extra bag, or you can just unzip the bottom and dump it into a bucket or a garbage can, whatever you want to do. It's a 4-inch outlet. There's the 4-inch hose. It's a 21-foot hose, accordion style. There's the bellow that goes with it. This is where I've been sanding and drilling holes in the cribbage boards. It works pretty well. I just put that piece up here. Doesn't get all the dust, but it gets a lot more than the little half horsepower shop vac I was using in my other little shed. These are just got my sandpaper in them. Some wood that I've cut. So here's the workbench. You can hear my dog in the background. The workbench that I designed into it. So it's 10 feet long. It's about 3 feet high. The nice thing is they asked how high I wanted it. In hindsight, I probably would have put it an inch or two lower, but this works out fine. You can see a couple of cribbage boards that I'll be taking out of the molds today. And then my stash of wood, that's not even all of it. But I'll cut those down to size as I need to, and make some cribbage boards out of every single one of those pieces. And every single one of these pieces. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Now, I don't have electricity in here yet. That's something that'll come in the spring when I can get an electrician out here and we can run power. So right now I've got this 300 square foot heater, portable heater. Works pretty well, actually. That's my shop light right now. Eventually I will have a outlet over here. I'm gonna put an outlet over here somewhere on this wall, and then I'm gonna put a double outlet right above the workbench, plus light switch somewhere over here. This little attachment is what makes this thing a vacuum cleaner for the floor. I got this at Rockler. Works pretty well. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, that's what I've been doing around here. I'll share some pictures of the outside. I won't take you a walk around the outside. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. So let's make some cribbage boards. We'll see you on the next video.